So you lot went mad for the last Gary T garage tour. So I'm going to do an update video as to where I'm at, what we're up to, what's working, what's not working. Stay tuned. The Panda came into the garage, is now raised up on its axle stands and a little bit of block work so I can get under it a bit easier, because I'm in the process of going to make a patch for this hole. That hole became a hole because I've cut it out, because unfortunately when I was coming out the desert I broke it. So I dropped the swinging arm off last night, all the rear suspensions off, and we're going to start trying to put this back together. This was all totally mint. Now look at that, after a few days rally driving in the desert. So that's the Panda. It has changed massively since the last videos. Now about to weld the strengthening bar for both sides, so doors off. Obviously interior fully out with all those beautiful holes in it. Look at that, lovely. Look at that beautiful patch on there we've got to sort out. And the beating heart has disappeared, goes to the floor. So beating heart is there, along with the gearbox, which I've obviously OCD cleaned, so that's ready to go back in. This landed as well. This is quite a contraption. Got a full video on that. Was unpacking it and building it, and then we're going to mount it to the Opel. We've now got totally turnkey, and I'm using as my daily. Not that I go out every day, but when I do go out, this is going to be the car. Hence it's got water all over it. I'm just giving it a little wash. Going out this afternoon. Very Ferrari Dino back end. One of only two in the country, so very nice. Just beautiful. Was not running so well till we found out that the air filter was blocked. So air filter out. Car now runs superb. Just need new air filter. The daily that I don't use daily because I don't go out in the car every day. Often on a pedal bike because I'm a middle-aged man in Lycra, or a mammal as we're called. This is just great to use. I think using it like once a week. Sounds great, drives great, just pulls great. It is just great. I think I've used the great there about 47 times in that sentence. Anyway, nice, good piece of kit. Then we have the trusty Land Rover Defender. Just went through its MOT with no advisories, as the 911 did. I think I must have had this about 8 years. Just what a good old piece of kit that is. Again, fully turnkey, ready to go. That's what I want to get everything like. Turnkey, ready to go. It's still sitting here. I just keep putting some water over it to keep all the bits of the tree off it. But literally all ready to go. Just don't use it. I really do to sell it, I guess, because just not using it at all, but done everything to it. Doesn't need anything doing to it. It's just lovely. And obviously the little scooter in the living room, just sitting pretty. Could nearly be ready to go out. Look at the sunshine out there. Could nearly be going out. Could have a little video of me going on the Vespa. It's so much fun. Makes a great. So that's the latest update at Gary T Garage. Let me know what we should tackle next. I am looking for a new car if anybody has any suggestions or any cars for sale. And stick with Thursday at 8 o'clock for the main video. Any car shows, try and do on a weekend, and maybe a short or two during the week. Any suggestions of content, please let me know in the comments.